Have you ever felt the urge to buy something new just because your friends or neighbors got it first? It's a common feeling, and it can be hard to resist. We see others enjoying their new possessions, and start to feel like we need the same things to be happy or successful. Maybe it's a fancy new car, a bigger house, or even a complete home renovation that catches your eye. These things can seem like the key to a better life. Or perhaps it's the latest tech gadget, the newest smartphone, or a cutting-edge home entertainment system. The allure of having the latest and greatest can be very strong. It's easy to get caught up in comparing ourselves to others and feeling pressured to keep up with their lifestyle. Social media often exacerbates this as we constantly see curated images of other people's seemingly perfect lives. This phenomenon is often called keeping up with the Joneses, but constantly trying to match someone else's spending habits is a recipe for financial disaster. It can lead to unnecessary debt and financial stress. But constantly trying to match someone else's spending habits is a recipe for financial disaster. It can lead to unnecessary debt and financial stress. It's crucial to remember that everyone's financial situation is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Your financial health should be based on your own income, expenses, and long-term goals. What someone else can afford might not be realistic for you. It's important to live within your means and make financial decisions that are right for you, not based on what others are doing. Instead of trying to impress others, focus on building a solid financial foundation for yourself. This means setting realistic financial goals, budgeting wisely, and saving for the future. Remember, true wealth isn't about showing off. It's about having financial security and the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about being able to handle unexpected expenses without stress and having the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. It's about having financial security and the freedom to live life on your own terms. True contentment comes from knowing you are in control of your finances and making choices that align with your personal values and goals. The 3 times rule is a simple guideline that can help you avoid lifestyle inflation and make smart financial decisions. Lifestyle inflation happens when your spending increases as your income increases, often leading to financial stress. It essentially states that you should only upgrade your lifestyle significantly when your income has increased by at least 3 times the cost of the upgrade. This means being mindful of your spending habits and ensuring that any major purchase is truly affordable. For example, let's say you're considering buying a new car with a monthly payment of $500. This might seem manageable, but the 3 times rule advises caution. According to the 3 times rule, you should only make this purchase if your monthly income has increased by at least $1,500, which is 500 times 3. This ensures that the new expense won't strain your budget. This rule helps ensure that you're not living beyond your means, allowing you to maintain financial stability and peace of mind, and that you have enough financial cushion to handle unexpected expenses or life changes. By following the 3 times rule, you can build a more secure financial future, free from the stress of overextending yourself financially. Remember, financial health is not just about how much you earn, but also about how wisely you manage and spend your money. It's human nature to want to improve our lives and enjoy the fruits of our labor. When we get a raise or a bonus, it's tempting to immediately upgrade our lifestyle. We might think about a bigger apartment, a nicer car, or more frequent vacations. While it's perfectly fine to treat ourselves occasionally, it's crucial to be mindful of how these upgrades impact our long-term financial health. Upgrading your lifestyle too quickly can lead to a cycle of debt and financial stress. Instead of giving in to immediate gratification, consider the bigger picture. Think about your long-term financial goals, such as buying a house, retiring early, or simply having peace of mind knowing you're financially secure. Lifestyle inflation can happen in subtle ways, often without us even realizing it. Here are a few relatable examples. Coffee. You used to make coffee at home, but now you find yourself grabbing a $5 latte every morning on your way to work. Dining out. You used to cook most meals at home, but now you're eating out several times a week. Car upgrades. You get a raise and immediately start thinking about trading in your perfectly good car for a newer, more expensive model. Housing. You move to a nicer apartment or a bigger house, even though your current living situation is perfectly adequate. These seemingly small upgrades can add up quickly and significantly impact your monthly expenses. Lifestyle inflation can have serious consequences for your financial well-being. Here are some of the key risks. Debt accumulation. Upgrading your lifestyle often leads to increased spending, which can result in credit card debt, car loans, or even personal loans. Difficulty saving. When a significant portion of your income is going towards maintaining a certain lifestyle, it becomes challenging to save for the future. Financial stress. Constantly worrying about money and trying to keep up with a lifestyle you can't truly afford can lead to significant stress and anxiety. Missed opportunities. Lifestyle inflation can prevent you from pursuing your financial goals, such as investing, starting a business, or retiring early. Section 6. Practical tips for staying financially grounded. Here are some practical tips to help you avoid lifestyle inflation and stay financially grounded. First, track your spending. This is the foundation of financial awareness. By keeping a close eye on where your money goes, you can make informed decisions about your finances. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to track where your money is going. These tools can provide insights into your spending habits and help you identify patterns that you might not have noticed otherwise. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you might find that you're spending more on dining out than you realized. Next, set financial goals. Having clear financial goals such as buying a house or retiring early can help you stay motivated and avoid unnecessary spending. When you have a goal in mind, it's easier to say no to impulse purchases and stay focused on what truly matters. Another tip is to automate your savings. This means setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. By doing this, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved before you have a chance to spend it. It's a simple yet effective way to build your savings without even thinking about it. This will help you build a financial safety net without even thinking about it. Over time, these small, consistent contributions can grow into a substantial amount, providing you with financial security and peace of mind. Also, live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding the temptation to keep up with others. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you have to buy it. By prioritizing your needs over your wants, you can save more and reduce financial stress. Focus on spending your money on things that truly add value to your life. Finally, practice gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate what you have. This can shift your focus from what you lack to what you already possess, fostering a sense of contentment and reducing the urge to spend on unnecessary items. This will help you shift your focus from wanting more to being content with what you already have. By incorporating these practical tips into your daily life, you can stay financially grounded and build a more secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Section 7. The importance of budgeting and saving. Budgeting and saving are essential for financial stability and achieving your financial goals. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Start by listing your essential expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and groceries. Then, allocate funds for discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. Make saving a non-negotiable part of your budget. Aim to save at least 20% of your income each month. Consider setting up a high-yield savings account or exploring other investment options to grow your money over time. Remember, consistent saving, even small amounts, can make a big difference in the long run. Section 8. Finding contentment in a world of excess. In today's consumer-driven society, it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of wanting more. Advertisements and social media constantly bombard us with messages that tell us we need the latest gadgets, trendiest clothes, and most luxurious experiences to be happy. However, true contentment comes from within, not from material possessions. Focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth instead of chasing material wealth. Spend time with loved ones, pursue hobbies, and invest in your personal development. Remember, the most valuable things in life aren't things at all. Section 9. Your financial journey. A marathon, not a sprint. Building a solid financial future takes time, discipline, and patience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused on your goals, make gradual progress, and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Avoid comparing your financial journey to others. Everyone's situation is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Focus on making smart financial decisions that align with your values and goals. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach, one step at a time.